Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Valorant not launching. Easy and quick. First click here and then go for task manager, and then you want to be looking for Riot Games and Valorant or Vanguard. Just keep scrolling down. If you find anything like that, just end task and then keep scrolling down, and that's it. When you find it, just right click and end task. And after that, when you are after you make sure that Valorant isn't half launching or something like that, then click here and then go for services, and now scroll down until you find VGC. Double click on it and then you will find startup type. Click automatic and then click apply, and that means when you start your computer, Vanguard will automatically start it. And so you have to restart your computer, and you can make sure that your Windows is updated. So just type here Windows update settings, and make sure you have all last updates, and after that just restart your computer and then try to launch it again. And if your problem still not fixed, then right click on Valorant, open file location, and here just click here to go back, and you will find Valorant. I do not have Valorant here, so just go to your Valorant file location, and now once you're here, go for shooter game, binaries, Win64, and here scroll down until you find this one, Valorant. Right click on it and click properties. Now go for compatibility, and you have to select this one, run this program as administrator, and then click apply, and that's it. I hope that can help you to fix your problem, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.